Jack Kankunda uri umuhezi wa RCC wa Mbarara City North yashaba bagiso okureba ngo bayamba government okurwana so burwenguzi hamwe no kurwana sa kukozesa kubi programs za government abo kubebi niberemese ntunguka.
Please don't be compromised. We have challenges. I'm still battling the yoga issues, and I don't expect us to take PDM like how yoga was mishandled.
Jackie yagira ngo bagiso bashemereye kureba ngo batunga ibihandiko byabona abari kutunga ibyo government eri kubaha kurabira mu program zayo hezemu ka PDM hamwe n'imyoga.
That is why they're going to teach you, take you through this so that we can monitor, supervise together, track records of how much or what we're giving out. Understand why we want this, understand why the officers come up with this app, and help us.
Captain Nathan Nabimanya Oriso wa Mbarara yashaba bagiso okuvamisho ga government kandi bafeyo kureba ngo programs za government abantu bazikuratira.
You are the eyes, I repeat this, that you are the eyes of government to ensure that all government programs are implemented as planned. That's why you are at the forefront of collecting accurate data.
It is meant to monitor all other government programs, but we are starting with PDM. So this app is capturing data of all beneficiaries. We are evaluating the impact, we are evaluating the challenges. So we are not going for recovery, we are not going to select the people, we are going for data capture. So be polite, we need this data.
Gabi Robert Kachebezi yagira ngo nateganisibwa bembezi abari kutwara ibintu ebi government eri kubeherize abantu kubiho mboro kandi yashabe bembezi kubiyesasira.
Ni impurani kiteganisa icyo kugira ngo ubumwe no bumwe bintu byije bige byo kuyamba specific group byabige byo kurwanisa ubworo mbantu abandi ukashanga bebembeza abandi bari kubyegabira. Icyo kintu ni kicenera kimwe kandi ni kijumira ni importanta kwasana kucagira nakaki kuzireza igente zigeza abantu bazibahereza kuzireza izente za parish development model ezaboro bazereza abo kuzirabe zigeze myuga otari mu grupu otanukayo kuzireza igeza abakazi kandi urumeba parliament iyo noza kwenda cyarigeze no you see a sente eziri kwija zigeza government kandi zorekerire a specific group kabenisha ba leaders abebembezi bazisasire.
Umushomo gwaba hari generation suite muri Mbarara kandi gwaba kugenderere kuvangura bagiso aha app ensia iraba yambe okubara bene bahereza ebikufa program za government nga PDM kandi gwayitabamo bagiso kurwo mu districts eziri mu Kiruhura Isingiro hamwe na Mbarara. Wa Sky TV ya Genshonga ni Job Kato muri Mbarara.
Twayongerayo na Genshonga Elizo